What's up, telescopes? It's your girl Talise, aka Curly Tails, and I'm back here with another video. And today, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be trying an expensive deep conditioner from Ulta. This deep conditioner was $28.
You better stop!
Now, I would never pay $28 for this deep conditioner. I did get it on sale, 50% off, when Ulta was having a sale. So I was like, I'm going to try this $28 deep conditioner just to see what it's working with. And the $28 price for this deep conditioner is even more ridiculous because this is not a 12-ounce jar or even an 8-ounce jar. This is a 5-ounce jar.
Oh, hell no!
So they are charging $28 for 5 ounces. They have lost their minds. But I'm going to give this a try. This better blow me out the water, or what were they even doing? The deep conditioner is made by KLORANE Laboratories, and it's the nourishing and repairing mask with organic Cupuaçu butter. This is what it looks like, and you guys already know I love Cupuaçu butter, so that was another reason that I wanted to try this out. This mask says it's a 3-in-1, and it also says it has a 96% natural formula, and it's made in France. So I think this is my first deep conditioner that I've ever tried that has been made in France, so I guess that's cool. Before we get started with this video, I just want to say welcome back to all my subbies, my telescopes, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button right below this video, and also make sure you ring the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And if you have a natural hair channel and I'm not yet subscribed to you, comment that down below and I'll subscribe back. Alright, let's get started. Alright, this is how the deep conditioner looks inside the jar, and it does look nice and pretty in there and thick and creamy, but I still can't get over the fact that this is only 5 ounces.
Ooh, the ghetto! The ghetto!
This is what the deep conditioner looks like in my hand, and it does feel nice and creamy, just like it looked. And it smells good. It kind of has a baby scent, and I love baby scent, so it smells amazing. I'm just starting by spraying my hair with some warm water, and then I'm going to go ahead and start applying this deep conditioner. The back of the package says very dry, damaged hair. This mask with organic Cupuaçu butter provides intense nourishment and helps repair hair lengths and ends by filling in gaps between the keratin. Hair is soft and shiny. 3 ways to use. 1. Apply mask to hair lengths and ends. Leave on for 5 minutes. Rinse. 2. Overnight mask. Apply to dry hair. Leave on overnight. Rinse. 3. Leave-in. For the driest hair, apply 1 or 2 pea-sized amounts on hair lengths and ends. Do not rinse. Okay, I just finished applying the deep conditioner to the first section, and this is what it's looking like. And it did feel really silky as I was applying it, and it has some nice slip. So far I am liking this deep conditioner. The real test is going to be after I rinse it out, of course. But so far it's doing pretty good. I don't know if it's doing, $28 good, but it's doing good. Now I'm going in with my Wet Brush Pro Detangler brush to fully detangle my hair and also fully distribute the deep conditioner. The way this deep conditioner is feeling on my hair so far is really making me want to try it for a leave-in. So let me know down below in the comments if that's something you guys would like to see. Hey telescopes, I'm back and I just rinsed out the deep conditioner and I got really lazy, so I left it in for about 8 hours, but it did say it could be used as an overnight deep conditioner, so that's basically what I did. As I was rinsing this deep conditioner out, I can't lie, my hair did feel really luxurious and it felt like it penetrated my strands really well. Even though my hair felt bomb as I was rinsing it out, I would never spend $28 on this deep conditioner. I would never spend $28 on any deep conditioner. But if I could find this one again 50% off, I would definitely pick up another jar, and I would recommend that you guys try it if you could find it on sale too. But let me show you guys how my hair is looking so you can see what I mean. Alright, this is how my curls are looking after rinsing the deep conditioner out. My hair is very, very soft. It's super moisturized. It just feels really good. This is how it's looking from the back. I'm gonna have to dock this deep conditioner 1.5 points just for price and size, but if this was a decent size, like 8 ounces, really 12 for $28, and if this deep conditioner was affordable, like around $14, $15, or $20 max, then I would definitely have given this a 10. But for now, it's getting an 8.5 just because they tried it by making this only 5 ounces. Like, I'm still upset about that, even though I was super impressed by it. I am really happy that this deep conditioner impressed me though, because if it was trash, I would be roasting it to the ground right now. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below any videos you'd like to see. Thank you so much for watching and making it to the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one.